Hi guys, today in this video we are going to look at the resonance structures for carbon monoxide. We generally do not look at it in the general chemistry, but it is good to have an idea about it. So carbon is a group 14 element and it has 4 valence electrons, and oxygen has 6 valence electrons. So in total it has 10 valence electrons. To understand the resonance structure, we need to first find out the Lewis structure of this compound. So as you can see here, there are 4 electrons for carbon and 6 for oxygen. If you place it normally, you would see that the octet of carbon atom is not complete. So what we generally do is we shift electrons from oxygen and form a bond between carbon and oxygen to try and complete the octet of carbon. So we are going to shift one more pair of electrons over here, and then we'll share one more over here. So in total, carbon and oxygen are sharing 3 pairs of electrons and forming a triple bond, and they have a lone pair of electron on themselves. So this is the Lewis structure for CO, which is generally accepted. But if you look at the formal charges of the carbon and oxygen, carbon has a formal charge of -1 in this compound, and oxygen has a formal charge of +1. Now generally this is not correct, because oxygen is more electronegative than carbon atom, so it should technically have the -1 charge. So to make it more relevant, we try and find out the structures, the resonance structures for carbon monoxide. So here is one more structure that you can consider, in which the charges on both carbon and oxygen atoms are 0. So this is also one of the structures that has been considered for CO. There is another structure as well which is considered for carbon monoxide, in which there are -1 charges on oxygen and +1 charges on carbon. So this structure is also accepted. But when we look at the structures and the percentage of the structures that are more relevant and found, it is 50% of this structure is more found and is more accepted and is used in more equations, and these structures make up the 40% of it, and we only use these structures in 10% of the cases. So this is a scenario in which we are having 3 structures, and these are the 3 resonance structures for carbon monoxide. But generally we go with the first one, the one which has a triple bond between carbon and oxygen. So these are the resonance structures of carbon monoxide, and I hope this helps you to understand its structure better. For more videos on molecular geometry, Lewis structure, polarity, hybridization of the molecules, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.